That's it. So shall I start? Okay. So what is reversal strategy? So this is a strategy which was developed by me. Okay. Strategy was not at all working. So whenever I tried, okay, to enter for bullish, I could see that the stock was going down. It will go up for almost 0.2 to 0.3 percentage, and after that, what happens is the stock will start going down. So I was hitting my stop loss every single time. So have you also encountered the same problem, same issue? Okay. So this strategy, reversal strategy. So the first point is reversal strategy works or is for people who find it difficult to enter in bullish strategy. Reversal strategy is for people who finds it difficult to enter properly in bullish. Is it clear? Reversal strategy is for people who finds it difficult to enter properly in bullish strategy. Is it clear? Okay. So the second point is there is only short selling in reversal strategy. There is short selling in reversal strategy. Is it clear? Third condition, you can start applying reversal strategy in more than one stock on the same day. Reversal can be applied to stocks, to multiple stocks on the same day. Reversal strategy can be applied to multiple stocks on the same day. How to get confirmation on what? Can you please wait for a half an hour so that I can finish this strategy so that you will get your answer? So, like, are these conditions clear? Is for people who finds it difficult to enter properly in bullish strategy. There is only short selling in reversal strategy. Please make sure that there is only short selling in reversal. Reversal can be applied to multiple stocks on the same day. maybe a stock has conditions of reversal at 10 a.m. Then maybe a stock is showing the same conditions at 11, 12. But by 1 o'clock it'll be done. Okay. So just tell me, okay, what really happens? Okay. What really happens to stocks? Okay. At 9:15, from 9:15 to 9:45 or 10 o'clock, what really happens to a stock which is going up, which is volatile and which is going up, not which is going down. I'm talking about stocks which is going up only. Just tell me what happens to a stock which is going up. Accumulation, after some time it falls down. Yes, that's correct. No, just tell me. Just tell me the mentality of a stock trader who is ready to trade on stocks which he finds, or ready to trade on bullish strategy at 9:15 a.m. Just tell me. Just tell me the mentality of the person who is gonna trade. Feel at half in booking. Okay, it's fine. I'll tell you. It's fine. I'm not getting the correct answer, so I'll tell you. So I am a trader. Okay. So that's happened. The stock, good stock, which is going up, it will be 9:30. For sure, it will be 9:30, or it will be between 9:25 and 9:30. I have experience in so many. It will take minimum of 10 minutes to find a good stock. Okay, by it is a good stock. And how is it a good stock? Because you have seen that stock going up by 2% or 3%. And what really happens when the stock goes by 3%? You see all the candles are green, and you're like, okay, this is the stock. I will for sure buy the stock, and the stock will go again for at least 1%. So I'll make a good leverage, good profit by using leverage, and I'll profit. I'll exit. So that's your mentality, right? Okay. So that is your mentality. And then there are people, okay, they are actually very conventional traders, okay. They have been trading, maybe they have been trading for the past 10 years or 5 years. What they do is they'll find the stock which they feel will go up, okay, and there will be so many call giving companies, they'll also give calls. So that is why certain stocks are going up. You can't buy, like, if you buy the stock, it won't go anywhere. It won't make a very big difference if your investment is very low.